Today we're taking a look at this 2019 Ram 2500 Bighorn Edition Cummins 4-wheel drive. Let's do a rundown of the products on this truck. Up front, we've got our heavy-duty LED bumper, which features a dual-row 20-inch Black Series in the center and two 2-inch Black Series pods on each side. This bumper is designed to accommodate the factory parking sensors and also includes a skid plate to finish it off. And down here you can see we've got our dual steering stabilizer equipped with our N3 steering stabilizers that really help to alleviate bump steer and any vibration you may get from aggressive tread tires. Now those steering stabilizers require that you have at least 2.5 inches of lift on the front of the truck, which isn't a problem because this truck is equipped with our 5-inch lift, including radius arms. Gives it a nice height, and that lift coupled with the high clearance of the bumper allow this customer to run a 37 12 50 22 on an Ace Offroad Nemesis measuring 22 by 12 with a -44 offset. Finishing off the rear is our rear heavy-duty LED bumper for the Ram. It features a durable powder coat, 12-gauge steel design, and also has a pair of flush mount black cubes. There's no denying that the Ram 2500 is a beast. Hard to improve on from the factory, but with rough country accessories, you can do just that.